Hey guys, welcome to question MM354 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. So in this question we've got Braden, who's practicing his shooting at the basketball courts. Now statistically he has a 40% chance to score any given shot. If he attempts 12 shots, the probability that he scores less than 6 shots is. Okay, awesome. So the biggest thing to recognize here is that, firstly we need to recognize what kind of probability we're going to have to use, okay? Because we've got multiple kinds of probability. We've got normal distribution, we've got continuous functions, we've got binomial, we've got conditional, all this sort of thing. So we need to figure out what kind of probability we're dealing with here. So the way to tell with this one especially is, in this example, we have a failure or a success, okay? He either scores or he doesn't in any given shot. There's literally no other outcome. He can score or not score. When there's two outcomes like this and you've got a certain percentage outcome, a certain percentage probability per trial or per attempt, that's when we're dealing with binomial distribution, okay? So immediately we should be able to kind of recognize that. And you'll get to know this as you go, and you'll understand the difference between all the different probabilities as we move along. So guys, knowing that this is binomial, straight away we're going to open up our Binomial CDF in our CAS. Now, it's different on every CAS, but on mine it's menu 55E, and you'll just be able to see it. It's just called Binomial CDF. So it's going to ask you for 4 different things. It's going to ask you for our n value, a p value, a lower, and an upper. I think lower and upper go first, but you get the idea. So n is our number of trials. P is our probability to score, or our probability of success, I should say, of any given shot or attempt. And our lower and our upper are our range of values for what we're looking for. So the number of trials is the amount of attempts he has, 12. N and P are usually quite simple to kind of recognize what they are, and then the lower and upper are kind of where people get tripped up. So the probability of success is 40%, right? But we need to insert it as the decimal, which is 0.4. Okay, so always convert your percentages to decimals when you're doing that. Now, we're looking for the probability that he scores less than 6, okay? So he could score 0, and that would still be in this range. He could score 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Now, when it says less than 6, do not include 6 as your upper bound, right? Because 6 is not less than 6. If it said less than or equal to 6, yes, you can do that. But if it says less than 6, your upper bound is going to be 5. So this is our lower, and this is our upper. So lower is 0, upper is 5. Then you're just going to click enter, and what's going to happen is it's going to spit out the probability, which is 0.6652. And that gives us our answer of B. So B is our final answer for MM354, guys. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. But otherwise, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.